In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in the online tax preparation version. If you've entered something by mistake, duplicated an entry, or no longer need a form, the safest way to remove it is to go back to where you originally entered the information and delete it from there. That's because the software creates forms based on your answers, so clearing the data at its source automatically removes the form from your return. Start by returning to the interview or step-by-step flow. Navigate to the section that relates to what you want to remove, typically income, deductions, or credits. Use the site's main menu, topic list, or search bar to jump straight to the relevant area. For example, wage statements and business income live under income, while donations and mortgage interest are found under deductions, and education or child-related items usually appear under credits. Once you're in the right section, review the entries you've already added. Look for the specific item that generated the form you want to clear. If you see a summary or list view, scan for the exact entry you no longer need. Opening the item can help you verify details like the payer, category, or amounts, so you're sure you're removing the correct one. Next, find the option to delete. This might appear as a delete or remove link, or a small trash can icon next to the entry. In some layouts, you'll need to click Edit first, then scroll to the bottom or side of the screen to see the delete option. Make sure you choose to remove the entry, not just zero out the values. Fully deleting is what triggers the form to be removed. When prompted, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the software will clear that data and automatically remove the associated form from your return. You can repeat this process for any other entries you want to clear. If you don't see a delete option, try opening the item, looking for additional links, or refreshing the page. Occasionally, the control is tucked away behind an edit view. To verify the change, return to your summary, preview, or forms view, and confirm the form no longer appears and the totals have updated. If the numbers haven't refreshed, navigate forward and back or run a quick review to update the calculations. That's it. By revisiting the original entry, removing it using the delete option, and confirming the prompt, you cleanly remove the form from your online return. Thanks for watching and happy filing.